Sarah's Rainbow Sparkly World.
Today Sarah's gonna be doing the experiment.
Volcano!
It's called.
Volcano!
Hold on, let me show what it's called. It's from National Geographic.
It's called volcano.
Build your own volcano. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right.
Guys, we're gonna be doing a experiment with my dad here. And first we're gonna open it.
Yeah.
Come on, what? Volcano! This, what's this? Oh yeah, the lava! And Papa, we're gonna make lava, right?
We're gonna make lava or we're gonna make the volcano?
Rocks, real rocks. Rocks.
Wow.
Not rocks, rocks. So some colors to paint the lava.
What is that?
I don't know. We're gonna open this?
Not yet.
Later,
No.
probably baking soda.
Eruption powder.
What?
There's a big bag.
Whoa.
Full of lava, I think.
That's the plaster to make the volcano.
Papa, there's also a brush. So let's start making this.
Volcano Learning Guide. National Geographic.
Nice.
The middle of the earth. It's extremely hot and then has a volcano.
What is a volcano? We're gonna have to read all of this stuff.
I don't need to.
Yeah, but we need to. Look at this lava coming out of the rock.
Volcano!
This thing doesn't actually stay together.
Oh, really? Oh, no. There should be stuff to plug it. Tape.
Rubber band.
Wait, I have the rubber band.
Oh, right here. Good job, Sarah.
This one. Wait.
This is probably for mixing later on.
I'm mixing the baking soda.
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah.
All of it?
All of it.
Whoa, looks like a mountain. Oops, sorry. You got it all white. Now you look like a volcano with that white.
Here comes the fun part. So what we're doing now, this is a mold. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna mix this with water, mix it real good,
I love mixing.
put it in here,
Ah,
and then it's gonna
I'm
be.
gonna mix it with
You just have to mix very carefully, okay?
Okay, pour it in here.
Smells like nothing.
I was like that. I thought we made it with a hole in the middle.
Yeah, the hole is in the middle.
Oh,
This
there
is
is a
This is
hole.
the volcano upside down.
How long do you think it takes to dry?
Plaster. 30 minutes, maybe. Let me see what it says. Yeah, 30 to 45 minutes. There's basically nothing else to do now.
A few minutes later.
Hi guys, we have 3 paints here, and all we need is gray and
Red
red.
and yellow.
A little bit of yellow too to make it look different.
And now we're gonna paint the volcano. That'll be fun.
I hope you like this video, everyone.
Yeah. It will be cool to see a volcano.
Volcano!
paint
look,
over. Huh?
guys, look at that picture. Whoa.
It's looking very similar. The gray is making it looking more real.
It's looking real, right, guys? The volcano is dry, so you can touch it here. This is the one, the bag B, and this is the bag A.
Powder A is sodium bicarbonate.
Powder A is sodium bicarbonate.
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 Sodium bicarbonate. And powder B is citric acid.
And powder B is citric acid.
Acid. Citric acid.
We're gonna put it in here. Well, this is
Very carefully put inside the glass recipient.
Oops, it got a little out, Papa.
That's okay.
White sprinkles. Ooh. Now what? We're gonna mix the two powders. Ooh, look what's happening, guys. Look what's happening, guys. Now we're gonna move outside. Look, Hannah!
Sarah found out a banana tree in our backyard.
What you're gonna do next is grab a scoop of this. Like this, carefully, look. Like this. Okay, and you're gonna put it in the hole of the volcano.
Okay.
Now carefully put it in the hole of the volcano.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Great work, guys. We moved locations because it's very hard to find a strawberry.
It was hard to film from there.
Right here.
We're gonna have to stand back. The volcano is going to erupt.
Wow.
Stand back! Whoa. Can I touch it?
No.
It's very hot.
It's not real lava. It just looks like that.
Well, can I touch it?
It'll stain your hand very much, and it might be red for like 5 days. Ooh, this is gonna be a big one.
Yeah.
Sarah, não, vem. Close. Close.
You gonna pour the water this time?
Yeah. Yes. Let me put the water.
Okay, put it on.
Oh!
Whoa. A bit too much water, but it's okay.
Bucky, we don't have no more water.
A little bit of water right there.
Where?
Wanna go grab it?
Like where?
The entire lake.
Oh,
Pour a little bit right in the center, okay?
Try not to too much, just a little bit. A little bit. Ooh.
Whoa. Let me pour more water.
Do it.
Hey, you're bathing the volcano.
Look how the smoke.
Oh, the smoke.
Guys, look.
What did you think of this experiment,
I
Sarah?
love it! I hope you like the experiment. And I'm gonna go to the lake.
Did you have fun with doing the experiment?
Of course I did! Remember to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching my videos and we can have fun forever.